Tightly contested semi-finals, and that has thrown up 4 winners. You'll have 4 teams now up on stage, not 3. And the 4 teams that will come up on stage are first, Santa Cruz Higher Secondary School of Arts and Commerce at table 1. At table 2, Muslim and Aryan Higher Secondary School, Panjim. At table 3, Sri Damodar Higher Secondary School, Margao. And at table 4, Vasantha Dempo Higher Secondary School of Arts and Science, Miramar. So we have 4 finalists for the My India Quiz 2012. We'll start with Santa Cruz. Question on screen. Simply have to answer 10 points for every correct answer. No negatives in the first 3 rounds. Negatives will come into the buzzer round in the final round. Okay? Infinite bounds. So we'll start with Santa Cruz. And your first question is, which devotional song written by Tulsidas is commonly known by the name of the deity that it is written for and the number of verses it contains? So it's called some very well-known devotional song or piece written by Tulsidas. It's got its name is 2 words. Correct answer is wrong, answer is pass. So, Sandhu, what is it? That's a pass. Mustafa?
Hanuman Chalisa.
That is correct. It is the Hanuman Chalisa, which is written for Hanuman and has 40 verses. It's called the Chalisa. So, 10 points to Mustafa. They get the first 10 points in this quiz, and the next question goes to Damodar. This is your question. So, Indian football captain Sunil Chhetri has recently signed for the B team of his European club. Big news. He signed for a European club, he's playing for a European club, but the B team, but still it's a European club. I need the name of the club. Football club. Or they are discussing what to do with the prize money. Okay, Damodar. Which club?
Manchester United.
No, not Manchester United. Not those clubs.
Sporting Lisbon.
That is right, it is Sporting Lisbon, or Sporting Club de Portugal Lisbon, which is the long name, but Sporting Lisbon. 10 points to Dempo. Santa Cruz, next question to you. So, which British civil servant and political reformer, this from history, is sometimes referred to as the father of Indian ornithology because he did a lot of groundwork. He's known for something else in our history books, but he also did a lot of research. Ornithology is the study of birds.
AOU.
Good one! Yes, I don't know guess why it came last minute, but it is AOU. So 10 points to Santa Cruz. Next question to Mustafa. So which Indian surname, made famous by a former sportsman and his daughter, comes from the name of the village in Kundapur near Udupi, from where they originate?
Padukone.
That is right, it is Padukone. 10 points to Mustafa. And audience, let's have a round of applause for these answers. So we go to Santa Cruz now and we'll go the other way. Okay? Question number 5 to Santa Cruz. In which European capital city was a non-aligned movement founded in 1961 by Jawaharlal Nehru, Joseph Broz Tito, Gamal Abdel Nasser, Kwame Nkrumah, Sukarno, and Haile Selassie?
Moscow.
Not Moscow. Mustafa Arya?
Belgrade.
That is right. It is Belgrade, which is the capital of Yugoslavia. You got as far as Yugoslavia, but you don't know the capital. So 10 points, which you sort of slipped their way. 10 points to Mustafa, and the next question goes to Santa Cruz again. So 76% of the common salt that is produced in India comes from one state. Which state?
Gujarat.
That is right. It is logically Gujarat, Ran of Kutch, and all those places are full of salt, so all the salt comes from there. And next question goes to Damodar. This is your direct. With which Indian fashion designer did Nestle tie up last year to design the company's first colored polo mints? Polo mints are usually white, but they made some colored ones.
Wendell Rodrigues.
Good answer, Damodar. It is Wendell Rodrigues who produced these very gimmicky colored polo mints. 10 points to Damodar. Next question to Mustafa. Last question in this round. What type of highly prized textile is made from the wool of the Chamtangi goat that is bred in Tibet, Ladakh, and Kashmir? I need the name of the textile, which is made from the wool of this goat. It can only be made from the wool of this particular goat.
Pashmina.
That is right, it is Pashmina. That has 10 points. So 10 points to Mustafa and Aryan, and we are at the end of round number 1. Let's have a look at the scores. Okay, after round 1, 8 questions. scores are like this. Santa Cruz around 10. Damodar also around 10. Vasantrao Dempo around 20. And Mustafa and Aryan have taken an early lead with 40. The next round is a visual based round, so 8 questions on the visual. So Damodar, you will get the first question based on a visual. And your question is this: who is this?
Suresh Tendulkar.
Not Suresh Tendulkar.
Ajit Tendulkar.
Ajit Tendulkar, that's correct. You will get 5 points, you will get 5 points. Okay, fair enough. Next question, which goes to Santa Cruz. So what is he holding in his hand? What? No, not as a tab. Name.
Akash.
Akash. This is the Akash tablet that has been developed by the Indian government for education and other purposes. Supposed to be the cheapest Android tablet in the world. And that gets Mustafa 10 points. Next question goes to Damodar. So this is the interior of which famous building?
The Lotus Temple.
That is right, it is the Lotus Temple, the Baha'i Temple in Delhi, which you may have seen lots of pictures of the exterior, but maybe not so many of the interior, but still very clear more or less what it's doing. So 10 points to Damodar. And next question, number 4, to Dempo. So this is a minimalist poster, this is not the official film poster, it's a minimalist poster of which recent film?
Agnipath.
That is right, it is Agnipath, I think lots of clues, and Sanjay Dutt's persona is more or less reflected there. Of course, you have the cast. So, question number 5 to Damodar Margaon. Who or what is the subject of this book, or what is the title of the book?
So it's a story about Dabbawalas.
The Mumbai Dabbawalas?
Yeah.
That is correct. This is the story of Mumbai's Dabbawalas. So, 10 points to Damodar. And Mustafa gets the next question. That's question number 6. So, one of the main tourist attractions in this city is the white marble rocks that are found along the banks of the river in the area of the city called Vedaghat. So which city is this?
Chhattisgarh.
Not Chhattisgarh. As I said, city.
Khajuraho.
Not Khajuraho. Okay, nobody's going. I don't think anybody's going. It's Jabalpur. Jabalpur. I guess this was a little tough one. And next question back to you, Mustafa. So identify this person whose name has indirectly been much in the news of late. Now, on the pass, you'll have to be faster because you already had a reasonable amount of time to think. Yeah.
Ravindra Kedekar.
Not Ravindra Kedekar.
Is it SN Bose?
Satyendranath Bose, that's the correct answer. This is Satyendranath Bose, whose name is named because of the Higgs boson. Bosons are named after him. And that's a good 10 points to Dempo. And the last question in this round will go to Margaon. And this is the last question. So this endangered primate kind of monkey is only found in the world in a small area in Assam and Bhutan. You simply have to name it. Yeah, Damodar?
Is it the lion-tailed macaque?
No, good one. Lion-tailed macaque is in the Western Ghats. This is not the lion-tailed macaque.
Golden Langur.
That is correct. This is the golden langur. It's a langur, and as you can see, it's got slightly golden fur. So this is the golden langur, and Mustafa gets 10 points on that. We come to the end of round 2, and let's have a quick look at the scores. Okay, end of round 2, 2 more rounds to go. Scores are like this. Santa Cruz are still with 10 points. Damodar around 25, Dempo around 45, and Mustafa are around 60. Okay, we come to round number 3. So these are 8 questions based on audio or video clues. So I'm going to play you a video which you may have seen. It was quite kind of a YouTube hit. Okay, this is a guy called Prudent Mystery.
Here the camera is actually understanding how you're holding the paper and playing the car racing game. Many of you already must have thought, okay, you can browse. Yeah, of course you can browse to any website. So you can do all sort of computing on a piece of paper wherever you need it. So, but more interestingly, I'm interested that how we can take that in a more dynamic way. When I come back to my desk, I can just pinch that information back to my desktop so that I can use my full-size computer. And why only computers? We can just play with papers. Like paper word is interesting to play with. So here I'm taking a part of a document and putting over here the second part of from second place, and I'm actually modifying the information that I have over there. Yeah, and then I say, okay, this looks nice. So let me print it out that thing. So I have a now printout of that thing, and now, so the workflow is more intuitive the way that we used to do before, maybe 20 years back, rather than now switching between these two words.
Okay, that's enough. So that's Pranav Mistri's thing that is supposed to eventually change the world. It's still in development. What is it called? Same name as a film, again, very famous film by the past Dempo.
The technology is called Sixth Sense.
That is right. It is called the Sixth Sense. That gets you 10 points, Dempo. And we go to Santa Cruz for the next question. I'm going to play you a jingle, very famous jingle, ad jingle from which you may have seen on TV. You just have to tell me which company uses this ad or jingle.
ये ज़मीं ये आसमां ये ज़मीं ये आसमां हमारा कल हमारा आज हमारा कल हमारा आज बुलंद भारत की बुलंद तस्वीर
No, not Fevicol. Mustifa?
हमारा बजाज.
That is right. This is Bajaj. Of course, the last two words of Hamara Bajaj. 10 points to Mustifa. And Damodar gets the next question, which is again a video. So I'm going to play you again a very well-known video.
You see, the whole country of the system is juxtaposition by the hemoglobin in the atmosphere because you are sophisticated rhetoricians and intoxicated by the exuberance of your own babasate. My name is Anthony Gonzalez. My name is Anthony Gonzalez.
So, if basically to explain the question, the name of Amitabh's character in this film is Anthony Gonzalez. Anthony Gonzalez is a real person who taught the music director of this film music. And I gave you a clue, it was part of a well-known duo in the sense. He's always associated with another person, but I mean the name of one person.
Vishal Shekhar.
No, it's much before Vishal Shekhar's time.
Pyarelal.
Pyarelal is the correct answer. You got as far as Lakshmikant Pyarelal, but unfortunately the guy was Pyarelal, not Lakshmikant. 10 points to Mustifa. We'll see in the larger picture how crucial those 10 points were. But it is Pyarelal. Next question goes to Damodar again. And this is again an audio, so I'm going to play you a voice of a well-known person. You simply have to listen and tell me whose voice it is.
विकीलीक्स वेबसाइट का मालिक पिछले 1-2 दिनों से जो किस्म की गलत, बेबुनियाद, तथ्यहीन व शरारती भरी बेहुदा खबरें दे रहा है, इससे ऐसा प्रतीत होता है कि विकीलीक्स का मालिक या तो पागल हो चुका है या फिर ये व्यक्ति हमारी विरोधी पार्टियों के हाथों में खेलकर इस किस्म की शरारतें कर रहा है, जिसकी मैं कड़े शब्दों में निंदा करने के साथ साथ विकीलीक्स के मालिक को उसके देश की सरकार से उसे पागल खाने में भिजवाने के लिए आग्रह करती हूँ। और यदि इस व्यक्ति को रखने के लिए उसके देश के पागल खाने में जगह नहीं बची है, तो मैं फिर इस व्यक्ति को
Okay, that's a lot. Yeah. So who is this now then?
Mayavati.
That is correct. It is Mayavati. So 10 points to Damodar. Big hand for them. And question number 5 reverses. So we go to Mustifa now.